And at a time coronavirus second wave has ravaged India, there is question in mind of many people about the insurance policies as well. To answer all the questions about impact on insurance industry during COVID-19 times and what to keep in mind before going for corona and other insurance policies, today we are joined by Mr. Manik Nangia, COO of Financial Services at Bharti Enterprises. Thank you, Mr. Nangia, for joining us. And first question to you is that, do you think COVID-19 has really changed consumer preferences on buying life insurance? And uncertainty has really made consumers think through their behavior. Are people subscribing to more life insurance policies now?
COVID has changed. COVID has changed many aspects of the urban life, so to speak, and life insurance buying behavior is one of them. Earlier on, at the onset of the pandemic, we did a research with consumers, and we found that a good number, greater than about 40%, were feeling extremely vulnerable with what was going on around them. That's on the feeling side. And what they did is that they went out and bought loads more health insurance for sure. This is the first quarter of the last year. And as we saw throughout the year, as the number of customers who went out and looked for life insurance came down secularly as we went from first quarter of the last fiscal to the last quarter. But the sum assured that they bought was 20%, almost 20% higher than the sum assured that they bought in the year previous to that.
Mr. Nangia, do you expect rise in insurance premium this year? After all, many people are really concerned about their health now. There's a lot of awareness about health policies and all. So do you expect a rise in insurance premium this year as well?
I think a correction of about 10 to 15% on the insurance premiums for urban select term customers is on the anvil. Some very small part of it, I think, should be because of COVID, because the kind of claims that we have seen in the last 2-3 quarters are not that large that they will overall impact the size of the book, because you must appreciate insurers have a book of term insurance that is at least 8 to 10 years long over an accumulated period of time. And so this is not such a large number that will impact overall claims, but I'm quite certain that overall on the India experience, you'd find term insurance prices going up a little.
And what is the outlook for overall pandemic coverage for Indian families? Is it going to be changed, or will it remain same, or will it decrease further?
Regardless of the fact that only 2 to 5% need hospitalization during the infection, it is a smart thing to do for every family to have basic hospitalization coverage in place. Almost all forms of health insurance are covering hospitalization on account of COVID, and are also covering the medicines and treatment that COVID requires. And so in that sense, the only smart thing to do is to be prepared.
And what are the new digital trends that are visible in insurance industry? What are the new upcoming things? What are people going for? What's your take on that?
In our particular context, the path to purchase for the consumer and the decision-making window is 6 to 8 weeks, because this is an engaged decision. And so that's the first set of digital tech that insurers are, to my mind, using well. The second is because insurers are large sales organizations, and they are distributed national sales organizations, which means that in order to direct sales teams' efforts better, sales funnel management, customer communication, standardization of the sales process, the needs analysis process, segmenting customers into hot, warm, and cold leads, providing reassurance through the sales process, providing benefit illustrations and a lot of compliance-related material is the second part. So you'd find almost the entire insurance industry, at least the top 10, 15 players for sure, in the life side and the top 10, 15 players in the general side, having adopted very smart sales funnel solutions.
And how to maintain a balanced product portfolio led by value-laden investment, health savings and protection plans even then. So what is your thought on that?
Buying life insurance followed by health insurance so that no emergency or death can completely derail your financial plan or impact the standard of living of your family is the first prerequisite. The second prerequisite in any good financial plan is to think goals. Is to think goals and come back. We've realized that in the Indian scenario, there are two large financial planning goals that customers live by. The first one is on children's education, and the second one is retirement. And what we are now seeing is that when it's about very important life goals, customers don't want to take a chance with instruments that are riskier. And so if you notice, our latest campaign is also built on this customer insight, that when it's about life's big questions, life's important goals, we are saying the answer to that question is a guaranteed plan from Bharti AXA.
Thank you, Mr. Nangia, for joining us and giving us all these details and important story. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.